it to day 6. Woohoo! We get to see what the project is. So you're gonna find the envelope that says day 6, travel in style, a new must-have accessory when you are on the go. Watch for the new video release in February of 2023. So you guys are the first to get this pattern. It is not available on our website yet. So let's open it up. And here it is. This is our brand new pattern called the Morning Post. And this is a soft lined padded laptop bag, which fits up to a 17-inch wide laptop with 2 concealed zipper pockets. So we don't have a laptop bag that's padded in our pattern library yet. So this is so exciting because this has been a highly requested pattern on our website and you guys are the first to get it. So I just want to share some other features of the project with you. There is a zipper top closure. Like I mentioned, there are 2 concealed exterior zipper pockets, handles, which you'll use the webbing for that was included on day 4. There's the option to add a soft lined interior, which I think is a great feature to protect your laptop or other electronics. This bag has a full gusset, so there's lots of room for storage. It has an adjustable strap from either the webbing included in your kit, or you can also check out our Make a Strap webbing on our website. So like I mentioned, we will have a full step-by-step video tutorial releasing next month. So go ahead, get your pieces cut out if you want to wait until the video launches to sew along. Otherwise, our patterns are very beginner friendly. So step by step, we break the pattern up into bite-sized pieces so you're able to just work on one step at a time. And I think you'll be so pleased with the results. We can't wait to see your version of the Morning Post, and I will see you tomorrow for another gift.